Welcome back to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. Today we want to talk about something that some of you, if you are vegetarians, need to be aware of, that we were already aware of, but because we've come to Paris before. But France is a very meat-centric country. They don't have many options for vegetarians, and some of the things that they come up, they're very sweet about it. When you explain to them you're a vegetarian, they say, they'll go talk to the chef. And then they come back and they say, the chef is going to put together something special for you. And sometimes, one time it really was like rice, potatoes, and some tomato sauce or something. That was our last trip, and that was not good. But this trip, it's fun to see what they come up with. It really is. And Delia being a serious vegetarian, it is, and needing protein and everything else, it is an issue. You really do have to take a little more time to think that through and figure out what you can eat that has some nutrition and things like that in it. Not just a bunch of pommes frites.
In the world can you survive as a vegetarian in Paris? Well, thankfully there usually always is something on the menu, at least fromage or something, but it is important, of course, to eat your fruits and vegetables, so we try to have that as well. But I think it's going to be how much you prepare. You can look at the menus ahead of time. Usually once you're there you can ask, you can say, je suis végétarien, and they are polite about it. But again, like when we went to Le Boeuf sur le Toit, the option that they came up with was rice with ratatouille. And I knew that sounded a little bit odd, and I wasn't into it, but Mom said, great, that's perfect. So our dinner there was special, but again, a little odd.
Breakfast is very easy because, of course, the pain au chocolat, and they also, they make omelets all the time. Omelette au herbe,
Herb.
with herbs. A lot of them just have herbs, or they'll do like champignon, mushroom omelet, something like that, and they have fruit and everything. So that's easy. It's just when you get to sometimes lunch is challenging, but it's mainly dinner because they have every kind of meat and organ and seafood and all the great things that Parisian French people adore, and many people in the world. But for us, you have to be very careful. I think the best advice we can give vegetarians in Paris is it's so easy to eat all the cheese and the fabulous breads, and certainly pain au chocolat and the croissant and all the pastries and cakes and treats and everything. But then you start to realize, gosh, I haven't eaten in a very, very healthy way. You don't have the energy and everything. So they usually will have some salads. Traditionally, the French people eat their salad after their meal, but so far this week we've been able to order a salad. Several salads have had avocado and grapefruit. That was an interesting mix. And they always have sides like haricots verts that are very little tiny green beans, very tasty. Last night we had one omelet with mushrooms that came with a salad, and then you had the vegan curry, and that was really yummy too, and that had tons of vegetables. So talk to your chef, talk to your waiter, ask if the chef can do something, but before you agree to it, make sure you understand what it is they're going to put together. Sometimes it's good just to order a couple of starters and un dessert.
Yeah, and they usually have a lot of soup, so you can just make sure that this is vegetarian and that they didn't use chicken stock or something like that.
That's what we had. Velouté champignon. It was like a frothy mushroom soup that was quite lovely at La Société. So there are things out there. You just have to be aware when you sit down and you look at the menu. And you can always get a menu in English. We usually get one in English, one in French. But because we try and practice our French language. But anyway, that's just a little bit of advice from some vegetarians to other vegetarians. We hope that helps.
Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you want more tips on vegetarian eating in other places, or if you want more food-centric videos. And we will see you next time. Make sure to like the video if you liked it. Comment down below. Let us know any thoughts you have. Subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date. We come out with videos every Sunday, and we cannot wait to see you next time. Bye!